What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I released a video, so I'm Chris, I'm with nuppfx, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some quick and easy dinosaur eggs for any kind of Jurassic prop that you want to do. So let's just jump right in. Once again, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss future videos. I hope this was a nice, quick and easy thing that you can do for maybe parties, Halloween, birthday parties, etc. As always, there are links down in the description below that help support me, help support the channel, and help me keep creating on my days off. So until next time, stay safe.